Hi, Lorraine from Jados agency here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the powered by system.io badge from your website and your funnels. You may wonder why or the advantage of having the powered by system.io badge on your website or funnels. The thing is, if anyone clicks on the badge, they get a chance to subscribe to system or create an account with system, and if you see at the bottom left hand side, it's your affiliate link. So if they subscribe to system or create an account with system using that link, you get the affiliate commission. But I've had clients who have said that having the badge on their website or the funnels take up real estate, so they don't want the badge on their pages, which is fair enough. So let me show you how to remove it. But I must say though, you can only remove this badge on your website or funnel if you have a paid system plan. So you can create a free plan on system, but the only way to remove this badge on your website or funnels is if you have a paid plan. So from startup webinar on the unlimited paid plan. All right, so let me show you how to remove the badge. So if you go to blogs, select your blog. System calls this blog, is really your website. So select the website, and if you go to blog layout, if you go to settings, and in settings, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see affiliation, display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions. Unselect that, click on save changes, and if I refresh my page, I wouldn't see the badge there anymore. Doing that means for every of the pages, the badge wouldn't be there. So that is how to remove it on your website. Again, if I go back to the blog, the particular blog, and I go to blog layout, and in blog layout, I go to settings, and in settings, if you scroll to the bottom, you see the affiliation. Select it means you can place the badge will show on all your pages of your website, and then deselect it means you don't want the badge to display. So that's how to do it on websites. Now, but for funnels, let me show you how to remove it for funnels. So if I go to funnels, so I go to the particular funnel that I want. So I've got my list of funnels here, and in each of the funnel, so for example, let me have a look at this one. So that's the powered by system. So what I can do to remove that badge is edit the page, I go to settings, and I remove the badge, and I click on save. Now you will notice that if I refresh template 1, the badge is removed. But if I go to template 3, for example, refresh that, the badge is still there. That's because funnels, to remove the badge in funnels, you have to go to each of the funnel pages to remove the badge, like I've shown you from the settings. But it's different from websites where you remove it on the blog layout and it's applied to all the pages. But for funnels, you literally have to go to each of the pages, like we've done, to either put in the badge or to remove the badge. All right. So yes, I've shown you how to remove the powered by system.io badge on your websites and on your funnels. Someone said to me that they can't believe this was built on system. Well, it has. It's built on system, and I also showed you a couple of LinkedIn bio pages as well that was being built on system. For example, this is built on system. And so so if you're wanting to have a look at premium templates designed on system, just go on to the Funnel Vibe Marketplace. The link is in the description below. Funnel Vibe Market can see a plethora of templates that has been built on the system.io platform. All right, hope that helps. Bye.